Today we are adding some protection glass to an iPhone 12 Pro. We are using the Invisible Shield Glass Elite. And the first thing you want to do is just make sure that it's as clean as you can get it. And so I've already done a little bit of work on that. It looks good. We're going to take advantage of the cleaning cloth and alcohol wipe inside the little package. At least it should have that. Let's find out what we have. Well, this one comes with a little centering guide. That's cool. Well, it looks like it even comes with two pieces of glass. I'm only gonna need one of them. I'll keep that one in there for later. I put down a piece of paper, just like packing paper. We want to do this in a dust-free environment. We want to avoid getting any additional dust. This is actually just the cleaning components, not another piece of glass. So we have our alcohol wipe, then we have a little sticker, and then we have our little dust cloth here. So first thing I'm going to do is take the alcohol wipe, make sure the phone is free from any dirt or grime. I want to be careful not to get it into the speaker because you don't want it leaching out. Okay, that's good. Now we'll use our little cloth. And I'm wiping away from the speaker. I don't want any liquid to get in there and then pop back out underneath the glass. Now we'll take our light and we'll shine it across the glass to see if there's any pieces of dust still on there. You're probably not going to get it 100% perfect, but you should try. This side up for iPhone 11 and XR. This side up for iPhone 6 2020.
6 2020.
Yeah, that's what it says. Can you read it? Is the light help or is it hinder?
Light method up. Yeah, it says 2020. I don't know.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
All right, let's prep our glass. Here it is. How does this open? Here we go, right through here. You want to be real careful with this. You don't want to break it. Peel this layer first. Avoid touching the adhesive. Okay, so it looks like we're going to peel this. Then we're going to take it. We're going to place it on like that. This is supposed to be on like this. And then we'll carefully put it in. Okay. We'll set that there. We need to finish cleaning our surface. We'll use our little sticker. Okay, it looks pretty good. Again, you're probably not going to get it perfect because we're not in a dust-free environment. peel this layer first. We're going to expose the adhesive. Okay. Now we'll just do from one side to the other. Take off this little applicator. There we go. Oh, you know what? It didn't work.
What?
It didn't work.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Um.
We should have done it by eyeball. Okay, let's see if we can take it back up. That's way off. This is junk.
No. It's gonna break if you try to take it off. He put it on like way offset, but it wasn't his fault. It was this thing's.
It looks super perfect when I did it. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Are you guys still filming?
Yes.
No.
I just wasted 40 bucks.
We'll just send it. It was through Amazon, right?
Yeah.
I'll send it back. Casey, can you give us some space, please? Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So the secret here turned out to be using the sticker backing and prying it underneath the glass so that I could just put a little bit of an air pocket underneath it, and then I was able to use the sticker tab that's on the front of the glass still to pry the rest of it up. Now, of course, you have to be real careful because you don't want to snap the glass, especially once you get to the upper tabs of the glass. But this worked out. I just needed to be careful so that I didn't push it too far underneath. I didn't want to introduce any more dust because we wanted to keep it clean, of course. We want a nice installation.
Oi. No way. Yes.
There we go, much better. Perfect, huh?
Yeah. Woo! That was scary.
Yeah. All right, now let's continue to take off this thing. We're gonna do it from this side. Is this for charging?
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's so like the charge can be stronger through the case. Is there a piece stuck in there?
There might be. Yeah, I think there's a little tiny piece in there.
It's fine, I don't notice.
No, you won't notice.
Whoa.
All right.
Yeah, it's perfect. Thanks, Dad.